Crazy, guys.
It's one of the most crazy market here in Ho Chi Minh, I think.
Welcome talkers to another exciting adventure in Ho Chi Minh City. Today, we're going to take you hopping through the heart of Ho Chi Minh City, showing you vibrant markets, modern malls, and everything in between. Whether you're into local handcrafts or high-end fashion, Ho Chi Minh has it all. Are you ready? Let's go. Our first stop is the iconic Ben Thanh Market in District 1, Ho Chi Minh City, a vibrant and historic destination.
Today, we're going to take you guys on a hopping tour around Ho Chi Minh City. Ho Chi Minh City has a lot of great shopping from high end to low end. And today, we're going to start off with Ben Thanh Market right behind us. So, Nee, can you tell us a little bit about Ben Thanh Market? What makes this place so iconic and special?
I think Ben Thanh Market is one of the most iconic places in Ho Chi Minh City, and it's worth checking it out because for bargaining skills, pricey items, and it's one of the most crazy market here in Ho Chi Minh, I think.
I love crazy. Let's go check it out.
For sure.
All right.
Ben Thanh Market, located in District 1 of Ho Chi Minh City, is a historic landmark. Recognizable by its iconic clock tower and colonial-style architecture, the market offers a variety of goods, from clothing and souvenirs to fresh produce and Vietnamese coffee. A visit to Ben Thanh Market provides an authentic glimpse into Vietnamese daily life and culture.
So this is Ben Thanh Market.
Right. A lot of clothes here.
Yeah.
You can find whatever you like.
Can I find shorts?
Yeah, for sure. Yes, sir.
You can expect to pay around 50,000 Vietnamese dongs to 500,000 Vietnamese dongs, $2 to $20 USD for most items, but prices can vary depending on what you're buying. When you visit Ben Thanh Market, don't forget to haggle. Bargaining is not only expected, but is also part of the fun. We will teach you how to do it like a pro.
What's the price of something like one like this?
2,500,000.
2,500,000.
Step 1. Start low. Always start with a price lower than what you're willing to pay. Sellers expect it, and it gives you room to negotiate. Step 2. Be polite and smile. Bargaining is as much about building rapport as it is about price. Be friendly, use a smile, and keep things lighthearted.
How much are these?
$5.
Yeah.
Okay. How much?
$280
for salt.
Yeah.
Step 3. Be prepared to walk away. If the price doesn't drop to your liking, show you're ready to leave. Often, this will prompt the vendor to make a better offer.
You want buy? I did offer you a list or you buy?
She wants it, but she said she's gonna come back.
Her only ask. If you need to come back, you buy her. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you. No, definitely. Thank you.
Step 4. Don't rush. Take your time. Sellers might try to pressure you into making a quick decision, but a little patience can work in your favor. Step 5. Know when to settle. If you reach a price you're happy with, don't keep pushing. The key to a successful bargain is leaving both sides satisfied. Remember, bargaining is all about the experience. So, don't be shy. Enjoy the process and find those amazing deals.
Ben Thanh Market, my impression, a really nice place, nice vibes. I love that like hustle and bustle vibe, that flea market vibe. So I definitely like this place. Any tips?
So I think like there are two tips for you when you come in here. The first thing is like you should like take care of your belongings like this, like close everything and put it in front of you to make sure for everything. And the second tip is gonna be like when you ask for the price, and if you want a certain price, just say it directly, like bargain. And I think it's better to bargain up to 50% here and consider the quality as well. And I think the sellers here, they can speak English, really good English, so don't worry. Yeah.
Exactly. They speak really good English. All right, so on to the next one.
Yeah, let's go.
Where are we going?
Saigon Square.
Let's go to Saigon Square, guys. Saigon Square.
Our next stop is Saigon Square, which offers a wide range of fashionable goods at affordable prices.
So this is Saigon Square,
Yeah,
right?
Saigon Square is here.
Yeah. All right. Okay, guys, so we have arrived to Saigon Square. Like I said, a few minutes walk from Ben Thanh Market. Now, the vibe I get immediately, is like a little bit more upscale Ben Thanh Market vibe. I don't know how that reflects in the prices, but anything you want to share before we go check it out?
Yeah, I think the price is like less crazy than Ben Thanh Market.
Less crazy? No, I like crazy, guys. All right, less crazy.
Yeah.
Let's go check out the less crazy vibes at Saigon Square. Let's go, guys.
Saigon Square, conveniently located in District 1, offers a comfortable shopping experience with a wide variety of products. From trendy clothing and accessories to export quality bags and shoes, this organized indoor market is the perfect spot for those looking to score quality goods at affordable prices. You'll find clothing and accessories starting from 100,000 Vietnamese dongs to 1 million Vietnamese dongs, $4 to $40 USD, with a possibility of getting better deals if you haggle. While the prices are generally reasonable, don't hesitate to bargain with the vendors for an even better deal. Whether you're here to shop or simply explore, Saigon Square combines modern convenience with a touch of Saigon's vibrant charm.
My initial impressions, I think, were more or less right. It's a more upscale version of Ben Thanh Market. I like it way better. And the prices seem to be even better. Any tips?
One thing I want to share here, like I experienced, like, you know, the sellers gonna look at you, physical appearance or outside, and then they're gonna decide the price for you.
I see.
Yeah.
That makes sense. A lot of people do that. But anyways, guys, that's Saigon Square, and on to the next one. Right across the street from us is Saigon Center.
Let's go.
So let's go check that out.
Our next stop is Saigon Center, a modern shopping mall in the heart of District 1.
Know the difference, Saigon Square and Saigon Center. Saigon Square is a little bit cheaper. Saigon Center, expensive.
Like
Let's go check it out.
Yeah.
Saigon Center, located in District 1, features 2 impressive towers. Tower 1 has 25 floors plus 3 basement levels, while Tower 2 soars with 43 floors and 6 basement levels. With a mix of well-known brands, stylish boutiques, and great food spots, it's the perfect place for shopping, dining, and entertainment.
And it's just a lot of places to eat, like, you know, a lot of McDonald's. Yeah, a lot of places to eat. Makes me hungry.
The shopping experience here is upscale, with products ranging from 200,000 Vietnamese dongs to 10 million Vietnamese dongs, $8 to $400 USD, depending on whether you're buying luxury items or mid-range fashion. While most shops in Saigon Center have fixed prices, you can sometimes find opportunities for discounts during sales events or promotions. Whether you're looking for high-end fashion or just want to enjoy the modern, Saigon Center offers a comfortable and vibrant shopping experience in the heart of the city.
All right, well, that's Saigon Center. If I have to describe this place in a few words, tell me if you agree. Fancy, high-end, and expensive. All right,
Yeah,
so
for
would I
sure.
shop here? I would window shop here. I would like definitely check it out, window shop, have a coffee, eat some lunch and some dinner, but not necessarily buy clothes here. You, what do you think?
Yeah, the same on me. So I'm gonna wrap my favorite beauty here. And if someone who's on the same like budget like me,
And me
so-
too.
So I'm gonna show you another place.
Another
cooler
cheaper place,
Yeah.
nicer
Yeah,
place.
shopping paradise in an old apartment building. You ready
Paradise.
to follow?
I love that word, paradise. Let's go check out paradise, guys.
Our next stop is 26 Ly Tu Trong, a busy shopping spot in District 1.
So Nia, I said take me shopping. Where are we at?
So here we are at an old apartment building here.
Okay.
So I'm gonna take you to somewhere like they sell secondhand items,
Secondhand items.
unique
Okay.
items.
Let's
yeah.
go check it out.
26 Ly Tu Trong is a multi-story building in District 1, Ho Chi Minh City, with 7 floors. It's a hidden treasure offering a mix of modern clothes, accessories, and quality goods. The building has a traditional look outside, but inside you'll find trendy shops full of stylish clothes and cozy cafes. Clothing and accessories here generally range from 100,000 Vietnamese dongs to 1 million Vietnamese dongs, $4 to $40 USD, with some high-end pieces going higher. While most shops have fixed prices, it's still worth trying to bargain with some vendors for better deals. It's a great place to take a break while shopping for affordable, high-quality items. With its friendly atmosphere, good prices, and welcoming vendors, 26 Ly Tu Trong blends old Saigon charm with modern shopping, making it a must-visit for anyone who loves fashion and great deals.
All right, Nee, that was a really cool building. I didn't expect that. There was like, let me see how best I can describe it to you guys. Some cool cafes, some really cool stores. Prices were reasonable.
Yeah, right.
But no negotiating.
Yeah,
Like you just have to, whatever the prices are is the price. So it's not one of those places where you can negotiate the pricing. And it's a no camera, no filming place. So you can visit it, but you can't film. They're very strict about it. And anything else that I missed that you want to add?
I just want to ask, like, there was some kind of really nice workshop inside. You can make your own perfumes or, you know, some kind of pottery decorations for your home. It's really nice.
Yeah.
So don't miss it.
Don't miss it, guys. Check it out. So right across the road is Vincom Center. We're going to go check that out now. It's right here, so let's check it out.
Yeah, let's go.
Our next stop is Vincom Center, a popular shopping destination in District 1, offering an upscale experience with luxury brands and everyday essentials. Located in District 1, Vincom Center is a massive mall with 9 floors of shopping, dining, and entertainment options. With everything from luxury brands to local shops, it's the perfect place for those seeking a high-end shopping experience or just wanting to explore the latest trends. Expect to pay anywhere from 200,000 Vietnamese dongs to 10 million Vietnamese dongs, $8 to $400 USD, depending on the store and items you choose. Stores in Vincom Center have fixed prices. Whether you're looking for designer fashion, electronics, or delicious food, Vincom Center has something for everyone. The modern air-conditioned environment makes it a comfortable shopping destination for both locals and tourists.
Okay, so that was a quick tour of Vincom Center. So Vincom Center to me is like a traditional international mall. You can find a lot of international stores at international prices. So the prices are non-negotiable in this one either. What you see is what you got to pay. But it's a nice mixture of international brands and some more like local brands, I think. And with a movie theater in the background and lots of good food. So if you're in Ho Chi Minh City, check this one out. Anything else you want to add, Nee?
If you want to try beauty here, so just come here because a lot of beauty brands here.
Exactly. So on to the next one.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Our next stop is Hasaki Beauty Cozen Shop in District 1.
All right, Nee, so let me guess. This is the place behind us.
Right, exactly.
So, Hasaki.
Yeah, Hasaki. Vietnamese way, Hasaki.
Let's go check it out.
Located in the heart of District 1, Hasaki Cosmetics Shop offers a wide range of cosmetics, skincare, and wellness products from trusted international brands. Whether you're looking for facial masks, serums, makeup, or hair care essentials, this shop has it all. Beauty products range from 50,000 Vietnamese dongs to 2 million Vietnamese dongs, $2 to $80 USD, with options for every budget. The clean, well-organized space makes shopping here a breeze, and the friendly staff is always ready to help you find what you need. Most items at Hasaki Cosmetics Shop have fixed prices, but it's always worth asking about promotions or discounts on certain products. If you're in the mood for some self-care or looking to pick up beauty products, Hasaki Cosmetics Shop is the place to go.
Okay.
Yeah. We're finishing check out the cosmetic stores.
So that was it. So that was the beauty store,
Right.
the cosmetic store, the makeup store. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. As Nee said, if you're a woman or even a guy, you're looking for some beauty products, some cosmetics, this is the place to check out. There's chains everywhere.
Yeah, Hasaki. But if you live around here, so this is the nearest one.
Right. All right. So can we go look at some electronics now?
For men, right?
Yeah, for men. Is that okay?
Cool, let's go.
Let's go check out some electronic, guys.
Yeah.
You guys ready? I'm ready for electronics. Let's go.
Let's go.
All right. Our last stop is CellphoneS, offering a wide variety of technology products.
All right. So we've arrived at the electronics store. What is it called? CellphoneS?
Yeah, CellphoneS here.
And it's not just cell phones?
Basically cell phone, computer, laptop, tablet as well.
I'm excited.
Apple,
I'm excited. Let's go check it
Ready
out.
to go?
Yes.
CellphoneS is a go-to destination for the latest in tech, featuring an extensive selection of mobile phones from top brands like Samsung, Apple, and Xiaomi. Beyond smartphones, the store also offers a wide range of technology products including tablets, laptops, smartwatches, and a variety of accessories such as cases, headphones, chargers, and more. Mobile phones range from approximately 3 million Vietnamese dongs to 30 million Vietnamese dongs, $120 to $1,200 USD, depending on the model and brand. Whether you're looking for a high-end device, an affordable option, or the latest tech gadgets, CellphoneS has you covered. Most items have fixed prices, but you can often find promotions or ask for discounts, especially on accessories. With its clean, modern layout and helpful staff, it's the perfect place to find your next device or tech accessory.
All right, guys, so we just checked out this electronics store, CellphoneS. I'm always excited to go to electronic stores. Like, every time I check out phones, like computers, anything electronics, I'm excited. So we're ending the night at my favorite, like, shopping brand type.
Yeah.
So I had a fun day. It was a fun day shopping, hopping, checking out the malls and thrift stores and all that stuff. So how about you? Did you have a good day?
Yeah, it's a really nice day today. The weather is nice as well.
Weather was nice. So should we call that a night, Nee?
Yeah.
All right, guys, that's the end of tonight's shopping hopping. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Nee, as always, thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
Let's go. Bye, guys.
And that wraps up our shopping hopping tour through Ho Chi Minh City. From the bustling markets of Ben Thanh to the modern shopping malls like Vincom Center and Saigon Square, this vibrant city offers something for every shopper. Whether you're on the hunt for local treasures, trendy fashion, or the latest tech gadgets, Ho Chi Minh City is a shopping paradise that never disappoints.
Thank you for joining us on this exciting shopping adventure. We hope you enjoyed exploring the best shopping spots in the heart of Saigon. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to hear from you, so share your thoughts, experiences, or any questions you have in the comments below. Stay tuned for more adventures. Mass X out.